What if the key to building wealth isn't earning more money? It's needing less of it. Most people think that financial freedom comes from a bigger check, a bigger house, a bigger lifestyle. But what if all of those things are just keeping you trapped? Today, we're exploring a powerful idea: minimalist home, maximum wealth. We're going to explain how living with less can help you save more, invest more, reduce stress, and ultimately create the financial freedom that many people spend decades chasing. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some of the wealthiest people focus not on accumulating more stuff, but on creating more space, more flexibility, and more financial power. Now let's get started. The hidden cost of stuff. Most purchases don't end when you swipe your card. Every item you own comes with hidden costs. That new sofa needs to be cleaned. That extra bedroom, it increases the utility cost. That second car, insurance, maintenance, fuel, and repairs. The average person thinks that they're buying an item. In reality, they're buying years of future expenses. The more possessions you accumulate, the more money, time, and attention those possessions demand. This creates what many people call a consumption cycle. You work hard to afford more things, and then you need more income to maintain those things. Then you work even harder, and before you know it, your lifestyle owns you. Minimalism interrupts that cycle. Instead of asking, what can I buy next? Minimalists ask, do I actually need this? That simple question can save thousands of dollars. And this is how small savings can create a huge amount of wealth. So let's talk numbers. Imagine someone adopts a minimalist lifestyle and they reduce unnecessary spending by just $500 per month. That equals $6,000 per year. Over 10 years, that's $60,000. But this is where things get interesting. Instead of spending that money, they invest it. Assuming a reasonable annual return of 8%, that same $500 monthly investment could grow to over $90,000 after 10 years. And if you continue for 20 years, the number becomes dramatically larger. This is the power of redirecting money from consumption to wealth creation. Many people focus entirely on increasing income, and increasing income is important. But reducing unnecessary expenses can have an immediate impact. A dollar you don't spend is a dollar that can begin working for you. Financial freedom isn't only about how much you make. It's also about how much you keep. And that's why a minimalist home reduces financial pressure. One of the biggest benefits of minimalism is flexibility. Think about it. If your monthly expenses are $5,000, you need significant income just to survive. But if you simplified your life and reduce your expenses to $2,500 per month, your financial freedom arrives much sooner. Why, you might ask? Because your target becomes much smaller. Many people believe financial freedom means becoming a millionaire. In reality, financial freedom means that the income that you're generating from your investments covers your expenses. Lower expenses means a lower financial freedom number. So minimalism can shave years off of your journey to financial freedom. And it also provides protection during economic uncertainty, job loss, unexpected expenses, and an economic downturn. People with lower fixed expenses often have more room to adapt and recover. Also, minimalism creates mental clarity. The benefits aren't just financial, they're also psychological. Clutter creates noise. Every item in your home competes for your attention. The more things you own, the more decisions you must make. What should I organize? What should I clean? What should I repair? What should I replace? A minimalist home removes most of this mental burden. And when your mind isn't occupied by unnecessary distractions, you focus on things that truly matter. Building a business, learning a new skill, growing investments, improving relationships, developing your health. Wealth isn't only measured in dollars. It's also measured in time, energy, and peace of mind. This is one of the reasons why the wealthy don't always look wealthy. One of the biggest misconceptions about wealth is that it must be visible. Luxury car, designer clothes, massive homes. But many financially successful people understand a simple truth. Real wealth is often invisible. You can see someone's car. You cannot see their investment portfolio. You can see someone's watch, but you cannot see their retirement account. You can see someone's house, but you cannot see the financial stress behind it. Many people spend money trying to look wealthy. Wealth builders focus on becoming wealthy, and there's a huge difference. Minimalism shifts your focus away from appearance towards ownership. Ownership of assets, ownership of investments, ownership of your future. And this is how you can start today. You don't need to become an extreme minimalist overnight. Start small. Walk through your house and identify items you no longer use. Cancel subscriptions you forgot about. Avoid impulse purchases for the next 30 days. Before buying something, ask yourself, will this improve my life enough to justify the cost? And most importantly, take the money that you save and put it to work. Invest it. Build an emergency fund. Pay down high interest debt. Purchase income producing assets. The goal isn't simply to own less. The goal is to own what matters and eliminate what doesn't. A minimalist home isn't about deprivation. It's about intentionality, and that's reality. It's about making room for the things that truly create value in your life. When you own less, you often spend less. When you spend less, you can invest more. When you invest more, financial freedom becomes much more achievable. That's the connection between a minimalist home and maximal wealth. If you found value in this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone that's on their path to financial freedom. And remember, the goal isn't to have more things. The goal is to have more choices. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.